Hey scholars, today's Wednesday and your lesson today is recorded because you have a math interim today with Mr. Marenson. And so today we're going to be talking about Christmas around the world, and we're going to start in Germany. So on Monday we talked about Christmas in the United States, and yesterday we did Christmas in Mexico. So before we start, we're going to click on this quick picture right here to be able to look at a German market. And we're just going to be looking for things that we might see here also in America. So the first thing that I notice is lots of lights, the color red. I can also see, if we turn here, we see lots of Santa Claus type figurines. I wonder if they call him Santa Claus or something else. I see Christmas lights in the distance. You can see little stores, little places to go and buy gifts for people. Lots of people. Oh, look at that really big Christmas tree there. That is a huge Christmas tree. Again, lots of Christmas lights. Let's see what's over here. I see a barn, very similar to like a nativity that we talked about in America as well as Mexico. So again, lots of things that are similar as we have in America. So let's read our story about Germany, and then we're going to also talk about the history of the candy cane. So it says Advent is a popular tradition in Germany. There are several different types of Advent calendars that are used in German homes. These calendars serve as a countdown to Christmas. So you might have something like this in your home. You just didn't know that it was called Advent, but it's basically a countdown to Christmas. So sometimes it might be where you get a little gift in a box, or it could be that you simply just move the numbers, as you get closer and closer to Christmas. Another popular element of Christmas in Germany is the tree. The tree is used to keep presents under. Families use German-made ornaments to hang from the tree's branches. So in America, we also do that Christmas tree. And then lastly, Father Christmas comes to visit children on December the 24th. So Father Christmas would be the same thing that we would call Santa Claus. And again, he also comes on the 24th, just like our Santa Claus does. Okay, so on the next slide, we will be learning about the history of the candy cane.